Hello, everybody. Have any of you ever lost your checked luggage when traveling with an airline? You arrive at your destination, excited to start your trip, only to find out that your checked luggage did not arrive with you. Travelers pay extra to check their luggage with the expectation that their luggage will arrive at their destination at the same time that they do. At Alaska Airlines, we agree, which is why we are developing an advanced baggage tracking system. Our optimal solution integrates GPS tags with Alaska Airlines' current mobile application. It leverages that GPS technology to also improve baggage handling efficiency. It uses the mobile application and text messages to inform customers throughout their journey. It provides efficient problem resolution with an enhanced customer service system. Using value proposition canvases, we were able to thoroughly understand what kind of values our customers demand and highlighted undershot values targets to identify aspects that are not currently addressed with current offerings. We determined that customers want minimum delays, short wait times, and few trip disruptions. They want clear and frequent communication about the status of their bags, and they want issues with lost bags resolved quickly and painlessly. Our value proposition is to provide reliable tracking of luggage via GPS technology that informs the customers where their luggage is in real time through a convenient mobile application or text message. The value that our advanced baggage tracking system delivers utilizes Alaska Airlines' competitive advantages. Specifically, the technology delivers convenience and awareness to customers, while automation and reduced labor enables a lower cost structure. This results in a customer value surplus. Our optimal solution generates value because fewer bags are lost, which adds peace of mind to our customers. GPS is superior to the existing barcode and RFID technology, and it is more accurate for real-time tracking. Customers are able to stay informed by using our mobile application and by communicating via text messages. This allows for clear and regular communications. Finally, in those rare instances that bags are indeed misplaced, we save our customers time. The mobile application is integrated with our existing customer service system and personnel. Claims can be submitted quickly and easily. Ultimately, we are able to rapidly and relatively painlessly resolve problems. Through a cost advantage, we can offer the advanced baggage tracking system at an affordable price. The cost advantage is derived by leveraging existing resources such as Alaska Airlines' existing mobile application and customer service system. Our advanced baggage tracking is designed for customers to serve themselves. This means that there will be a reduced burden on Alaska Airlines staff as customers will be able to track their own luggage. In the rare instance that a problem does arise, they can initiate a resolution on their own through the application. Our advanced baggage tracking will also reduce current overhead costs as there will be fewer instances of lost luggage and improved overall baggage handling efficiency. We performed a few tests to ensure the attributes for our advanced baggage tracking system would provide differential value over the current solution in use. We took a look at baggage location updates, time to locate lost luggage, time to retrieve lost luggage, delivery coordination, and price. When examining these attributes, our proposed advanced baggage tracking system has shown to have differential value of 200%. When looking at the importance summary, we can determine that our customers are very price sensitive. After price, they consider the time it takes to locate their lost luggage, the time it takes to retrieve their lost luggage, delivery coordination, and baggage location updates to be important. When comparing the attributes included in 3 mock products, Product 2 best relates to our proposed advanced baggage tracking solution as it has 4 of the 5 attributes our advanced baggage tracking solution offers, as highlighted in yellow. The only thing that does not match up is our solution provides text message delivery coordination. According to the results of the market simulator, the probability of customers choosing product 2 was 61.3%. Since product 2 had the most attributes in common with our proposed solution, we can project that customers will prefer our proposed solution. We performed a few tests to ensure that the attributes of our system would provide differential value over the current solution in use, as well as the next best solution. The differential value when the proposed solution was compared to the next best solution was 17.1%. The differential value when compared to the solution in use was 208.5%. We took a look at brand, baggage location updates, philanthropic efforts, time to retrieve lost luggage, delivery coordination, and price. When looking at this important summary, again, our customers came through as price sensitive. After price, the time it takes to retrieve lost luggage, the baggage location updates, brand, delivery coordination, and philanthropic efforts from purchase were important. When comparing the attributes included in the proposed solution, current solution in use, and next best solution, customers prefer the attributes in our proposed solution and the next best solution over the current solution in use. They prefer mobile application updates. They prefer no philanthropic efforts, retrieving their lost luggage in less than 24 hours, text message delivery coordination, and low prices. According to the results of the market simulator, the probability of customers choosing our proposed solution was 50.9%. Overall, we can conclude that our proposed solution is more valuable than the solution currently in use, as well as the next best solution. There are many external factors, risks, and hidden dependencies that exist within the larger business ecosystem that should be considered when launching a new product. The business ecosystem blueprint outlined here outlines this network of hidden dependencies as well as their associated risks so that we can identify steps to mitigate these risks. There are two types of risks that we have identified. The first type of risk is co-innovation risk, which comes from the dependencies that our solution has on other types of innovation from our other external partners within our network. We rely on a GPS network, a cellular network, and cellular devices for our advanced baggage tracking system to work, as it involves GPS tracking technology, as well as the integration of the Alaska Airlines mobile application. Alaska Airlines is not directly responsible for any of these technologies, but they are essential to the success of our solution. The second type of risk is the adoption chain risk, which identifies partners along our value chain needed to adopt or buy into the solution in order for it to reach our end customer. Within our blueprint, you can see that we've highlighted ad agencies and airports as potential sources of adoption chain risk. While these various types of risks cannot be fully eliminated, there are ways to lessen them. Competition in the cellular network and cellular devices marketplace are relatively high, and as such, we do not feel that these are constrained resources or result in a high level of risk for us. As such, we have colored them green to designate them as low risk. The GPS network is crucial to the success of our proposed solution. Currently, it is under the control of a single provider, and therefore is colored red to designate it as high risk. If anything were to happen with this single provider, we would be in jeopardy. Our mitigation strategy is to motivate multiple partners to work on innovation with the hopes of privatizing the GPS network with multiple companies while improving the technology. Our mitigation strategy for mitigating adoption chain risk is through staged expansion. We will introduce our advanced baggage tracking technology in a few large hubs as test markets before rolling it out across the network. This will allow us to work out any potential issues in the solution as well as analyze the success of the solution. Now we will take a look at how our proposed solution will generate value for our customers as well as profit for Alaska Airlines. Alaska Airlines had 47 million passengers in 2019. 60% of those passengers checked their bags. That means over 28 million of Alaska Airlines passengers tend to check their bags on a given year. With the advertising efforts that we put forth, we project that 10% of those passengers who check their bags will use our proposed solution. This means that 2.8 million passengers will use the advanced baggage tracking solution in the first year of it being launched. The advanced baggage tracking system will be offered as a subscription that will only cost passengers $150 a year for one GPS tracker. Additional GPS trackers for additional bags can be purchased for an additional $50. According to market research, the average passenger checks 1.5 bags per flight with the average bag fee of $50. The average passenger also takes 5 flights a year. Our proposed solution allows us to provide a lot of value to our consumers and provide profit for Alaska Airlines. We took the estimated 2.8 million passengers who will use our $150 a year advanced baggage tracking system to estimate the total subscription sales of $423 million in the first year. As previously noted, the average passenger checks 1.5 bags for each flight. These passengers will be able to buy an additional GPS unit for their second bag for an additional $50. We estimate that the additional revenue from GPS unit sales will be $1.4 million. Alaska Airlines currently generates $1.2 billion in revenue each year with their existing checked luggage cost structure. Our solution will add an additional $424.4 million to this current $1.2 billion in revenue, bringing the total revenue for the first year to nearly $1.7 billion. In order for Alaska Airlines to provide this advanced baggage tracking system, there are several expenses that will be incurred. The GPS service provider and mobile application service provider are both expected to cost $19.7 million. There are opportunities to vertically integrate these providers in the future to be able to reduce the operating expenses. Advertising fees are expected to be $10 million in the first year. Hopefully, after the knowledge of the advanced baggage tracking system is established, the advertising fees will decrease in the future. The customer service labor is expected to be the largest expense incurred at $592.2 million. It is crucial that we make the luggage recovery process as painless as possible for our passengers by providing top-notch customer service. Rent is expected to be $6 million, office equipment $5.5 million, and insurance $0.7 million. Production costs to build the hardware and provide the software are forecasted to be $98.7 million. The total expenses expected in the first year total $747.6 million. Taking into account the projected revenue and expenses for the first year, we estimate an operating profit of $945.8 million. This equates to roughly 55.85% operating margin. According to these numbers, we are confident that our proposed advanced baggage tracking system will be highly successful and worthwhile for Alaska Airlines. The biggest value lies in providing peace of mind to our passengers as they travel. Now, when you get off of the plane as you arrive at your destination, excited to start your trip, you can be confident that this advanced baggage tracking system will ensure that you are able to quickly and painlessly locate your luggage. Thank you.